He's one of the best sales trainers in the country. He was a top real estate agent.
It's absolutely important that trainers can walk the walk and talk the talk.
It's interactive, it's in your face. In my office personally, if anyone joins my company, they have to go through the Johnny Loewy training.
His training's powerful. It's really taking the agents to another level.
He gets them motivated. He makes them get out of their comfort zone.
And all of his techniques have helped me. I probably close or sign 9 out of 10.
Now, I'm good with picking up that phone. I'm good with walking down the street, knocking on that door, and I have seen a dramatic increase from last year to this year just from doing the React training.
He brings life to everybody in the office. Everyone looks forward to the training.
But not only that, his experience and the information and knowledge.
If you ever need motivation, he's the man to motivate you.
Call him at any time or email him with any questions you have, and he's always going to push you.
He will stay on you and not allow you to fail. It will change your life.
I was the girl in the back of the room, just kind of watching everything and very quiet. And being in real estate has required me to step out of that comfort zone. And going through the Johnny Loewy training has been a tremendous help to me. He gives you the words to use in order to implement those things, and then he makes you go do it. And the more I practiced my craft and the more direction that I got from Johnny through the training, the better I got at it. And so when I sat down to actually make the phone calls that I had to make, knock on the doors that I needed to knock on, it was natural. I knew exactly what to say because John told me what to say. If you're learning, you're growing. If you're growing, you're building. And if you're building, you are going to be the best in the business.
I didn't have the money for the training. I didn't know where I was going to get it from. I attended that training, I got it together, and it was the most incredible year I've ever had in real estate. I went from selling 6 homes to 36 homes in that year. And I know it was because of the trainings and one-on-one coaching that I received from Johnny Loewy. He basically saved my real estate career. To know that he cares about me and cares about my performance and cares about whether I'm successful, and that I can reach out and call him and touch him anytime, any day, any night. He's there. It's just wonderful. If you've never taken a Johnny Loewy's training, you're crazy. You need to get in there because he's really into turning potential into production. Signing out, Shantae Parker, Washington, D.C. Have an awesome day. Bye.